Hey y'all, welcome back to another lounge review. Today we'll be in the Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse in Terminal 2 at LAX. We'll be using Priority Pass to gain entry into the lounge. At the time this was recorded, the operating lounge hours for Priority Pass members was from 5 a.m. to 10:45 a.m. At 10:45 a.m., it's a hard close and everyone is asked to leave. It opens a few hours later, but then it is only open to Virgin Atlantic customers. Inside the lounge, you'll find it's air conditioned, there's alcohol, the digital card is accepted, it has disabled access, it's non-smoking, there are refreshments, and there is Wi-Fi. Some conditions are there's a 3-hour maximum stay, and complimentary alcohol drinks are limited to only beer and wine. Let's take a look around the Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse now.
Es 45 de la mañana. Gracias.
Sorry? Yes.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a kind reminder to everyone that as posted on our Priority Pass website, our lounge will be closing at 10:45 a.m. Once again, we'll be closing at 10:45 a.m. In the meantime, relax.
We should present this message we have for the Japanese restaurant, and then for the spa. Great. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, basically, because that's like because that's information. Now we've been able to get the phone number for the just a few changes or reviews and direction. Not really changes, but mostly reviews that the ownership wanted to see with regards to finishes. We actually have a meeting with them set up for next week or the following week to do a final review on finishes. Yeah, for public areas. So, I don't think that changes will occur. It's just mostly for them to, have a full understanding of what the palette looks like and really like the touch and feel and see from the architectural finish. But we are trying to maintain the schedule and stay on schedule. So I have a meeting with my team first thing on Monday morning when I get back from this business trip regarding breakers and which will bring to them. Yeah. Okay. I will make it as so if it's a tile, it's a tile, it's a tile. So for you, it doesn't matter cost-wise. For us, color matters a lot. And that's usually probably because it looks like I'm
Okay, cool. All right, we're super excited. We need a break. We're 4 days. I'll wait for you here. So 5 years.
Here are my thoughts on the Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse lounge. There's no way around it. This lounge is very small, but the windows that run the length of the lounge really help with this kind of small feeling. Looking out of those windows, you're looking down at Terminal 2, and right across the way you can see Terminal 1 where Southwest's at. So if you're a nav geek like myself, you can get your plane spotting in. There's also views of runway 24 left and 24 right, so you can catch takeoffs and landings from this lounge. While we were in the lounge, they were actually doing reverse ops, and they were taking off to the east and landing from the west. Another big hit to this lounge is there's no lounge showers. I couldn't find them, at least, so if you've been here and you know where they're at, let me know in the comments below. I kind of found it very weird that there would be no showers, considering that Virgin Atlantic, which is a long-haul carrier, operates this lounge, so I'm kind of confused. The food offering is also very minimal. As you saw, it was very similar to what a continental breakfast is. I was expecting a lot more. I've always heard people rave about the a la carte dining menu that the Virgin Atlantic Clubhouse has, but it was sad to see that this was not offered during the Priority Pass hours. That's reserved only for when Virgin is using it. I was very disappointed by that. I think Priority Pass needs to step it up a little bit more. But at the end of the day, I'd rather have access to this lounge than waiting for my flight in the main terminal. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs down. If you like this and want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. And until next time, y'all.